Hello, my friend. Welcome to Section 5. I am Rimi. You are doing a spectacular job. Now, when you meet someone and tell them your name, country, and age, the next natural question is about your work. What do you do every day? Are you a student? Do you work in an office? Do you have a business? The question people ask is, what do you do? Let us repeat it. What do you do? What do you do? Sometimes people ask, what is your job? Both questions are common. Let us repeat the second one. What is your job? To answer, we use a very simple format. I am a job or I am in job. We use a before consonant sounds like teacher, doctor, engineer. We use n before vowel sounds like office worker, artist, accountant. Let us practice some common jobs for our 1 level. Repeat after me. I am a student. If you go to school or university, I am a teacher. If you teach people, I am a doctor. If you help sick people, I am an engineer. If you build things, I am an office worker. If you work at a desk, I am a businessman. I am a businesswoman. If you have a business, I am a homemaker. If you manage your home and family, let us practice these sentences one more time. Speak clearly. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am an office worker. I am a homemaker. If you do not work right now, you can say, I am unemployed right now, or I am looking for a job. But for now, let's keep it simple. Let us practice a connection sentence. You can say where you work or study. I am a student at a university. I am a doctor at a hospital. I work in a company. Let us repeat that phrase. I work in a bank. I work in a school. Now, let us look at our full introduction with this new piece of information. Listen to my voice. Hello. Good morning. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you. This is perfect. It covers everything a person needs to know when they meet you for the first time. Let us practice your job. I will ask the question, and you answer. Rimi, what do you do? You're mastering the art of introducing yourself. This is the end of Section 5. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 6.